What's up, guys? Got a new camera. Trying out 4K 30 frames a second. Yada yada yada. Yeah, I got the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. So I'm out in the yard by the car, taking a look at the vegetables. Whatever. My wife sent me pictures when I was at work today of something special. Something that hasn't been growing this whole season. We'll take a look at it. And here it is. There it is. Little zucchini. First zucchini we've had all year. Flowers always look really pretty and everything, but no vegetable until now. Sweet. Everything else is going pretty good still. We got tomatoes, these big old fatty tomatoes. We had one red ripe tomato. So I swiped it off the bush and made a ham sandwich with tomato. And it was awesome. These guys are still producing. Look at that. There's still little tomatoes everywhere. And it is getting pretty cold at night. This tomato plant is producing little babies right there. And I'll tell you what. These ones were the suckers that we pulled out of the crooks of the branches of the tomato. And my wife planted them and they grew. Totally amazing. Okra plants are still going. These guys are trying to catch up. They're trying to get their okra out before the end of the season. I guess we just keep on going. And the grass is rolling, as usual. Okra flower. Such the prettiest flowers I've ever seen. It's beautiful. I think they're so nice when they open up. Still got little okras coming in. Look, more tomatoes. Craziness. More okra. Craziness. These guys are going good. Yeah, it's down in the 40s at night now, so it's getting cold. But everything's still pumping. Chilies are good, but not little ones. Little cute ones. Cute till you put them in your mouth. And they're hot. More okras. Tomatoes. Alubati. Alugbati. Alugbati. Awesome. Those guys climbing right up the sticks. My wife reuses old sticks from the dried plants out here. Like this one right here. She just rips them out of the ground and uses them as climbing sticks for all the vegetables. Smart. Alright, that's it, guys. Just wanted to do a quick one. Be good to yourself, be good to your neighbors and everybody else. We love you. See you next time.